Hello students, today we will do the second video of chapter 2, that is subject verb agreement. In the previous video we had discussed till rule number 5. So today we will continue with rule number 6. See here, rule number 6. Two or more singular subjects connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor. They take what? Singular verb. So two or more singular subjects which are connected by what? Or. See here. Or, nor, either or, neither nor. They take which verb? Singular verb. For example, see the example here. Neither you nor I was informed. Neither you. One subject is you, neither you, I. And they are connected by what? Nor. So when two or more singular subjects, this is one subject, this is the other subject. When two or more singular subjects, they are connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor, they are followed by which verb? Singular verb. Here, singular verb. See the second example. Either Mohan or Anurag has resigned from the company. Here which one we have taken? Either or. So here, either who? Mohan or Anurag has. Here the verb is what? Singular. Has resigned from the company. So this is rule 5. Now rule number 6. Subjects of different number. Subjects of different numbers connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor. Okay. Subjects of different number. Subjects of different number. Rule number 6 was what? Two or more singular subjects. But here rule number 7 is subjects of different numbers connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor. The plural subject comes nearest to the verb. Which subject comes nearest to the verb? The plural subject. So here the verb that takes after it is plural in form. See here, Hema or her friends have made this painting. Hema or her friends have made this painting. So here what do we know? Two or more different subjects, isn't it? They are connected by I or, nor, either or, neither nor. The plural subject comes nearest to the verb. The plural subject. Here, which is the plural subject? Plural subject here is friends. So the verb, here it is the plural subject. The verb, it comes, the plural subject, it comes nearest to the verb. Here is the verb. Verb is plural in form. Now see the next number. Rule number 8. Rule number 8. Subjects differing in number or person or both connected by and. Subjects, this is important, differing in number or person or both, and they are connected by what? And. It takes a plural verb after it. See for example, subjects differing in number or person. You, he, and I. It is joined with what? And. Plural in form. The verb is plural in form. Are members of the same club. You and he are repairing the car. Are repairing the car. So now we'll do rule number 9. See rule number 9. Subjects of different persons joined by or, nor, either or, neither nor, agrees in person with the nearest one to it. Agrees in person with the nearest one to it. See here. See the example, it will become clear. Either he or I. And then comes what? The verb. Or I am. I am mistaken. Neither he nor you. You are. Here is the verb. It is plural in what? In the second case, you can see it is plural in form. Here, the verb, it agrees in person with the one nearest to it. In the first case, you can see, okay, I is what? Close to, it is nearest to the verb. So here the verb is what? As I is singular in form, so the verb is also singular in form. Now next number. Nouns singular in form but plural in meaning. There are certain nouns which are singular in form, okay, but they are plural in meaning. It takes which verb? The verb in plural form. See, example, the police. The police, here you can see the noun, it is singular in form, but the meaning is plural. The police, it does not mean only one police person. It means a number of what? Policemen. The police are looking for clues to trace the culprit. The police are looking for clues to trace the culprit. Here, as it is said, the verb will be plural in form. People in the village are building new road. People in the village are building a new road. Yeah. People, though it is singular, okay, in form, but the meaning is plural. Now come to the next rule, rule number 11. Nouns plural in form but singular in meaning. Okay. Nouns plural in form but singular in meaning. It takes a verb in singular form. Okay. The number is singular. Nouns plural in form. For example, good news. Though it is plural in form, but in meaning it is singular. So it takes what? A singular verb after it. Here you can see the verb, it is singular. Good news is always welcome. Politics. It is plural in form, but singular in meaning. So here, verb is singular. Now number 12. Rule number 12. Words joined by. This is important. Words joined by, with, together with, or as well as. Words joined by with, or together with, or as well as. Agrees with the first subject. See here in this sentence. The teacher with all the students of his class. One subject is the teacher, second is all the students. So here it takes which one? It agrees with the first subject. So that is why it is what? Has here. First subject. The teacher, it is singular. So here it is singular. The teacher has. So I think we should do till here, rule number 12. Once again I remind you, please copy down all the rules in your copy and learn. Learn all the rules from rule number 1 till rule number 12. Then only it will become easy for you to do the exercises.